Hello and welcome to chapter 3 where we're going to cover text animations. So we're going to have this little slide out animation here with the text like that. And also here we're going to learn how to animate each individual text using Stagger and GSAP. So let's go. Hope you're excited. Let's start setting up the file now. So I'll head over here to VS Code. This is an empty folder that I just made again. And I just found this image of Pexels. Feel free to use any. Yeah, that looks okay. So let's go here and set up the index HTML. Like that, hit Shift and Tab. And then we're gonna name this text animations. Perfect. Now what we need to do is you can import the font again if you wish to. So again, just pop-ins. I'm copy pasting everything over from the last one. I'll make my style sheet here like that. Go back here and link that up as well. And finally add the app.js. Link that up, and we just need to import GSAP in and we are ready to go. So app.js in there, and then from cdn.js I'm gonna copy over the GSAP library. So let's paste that up there, hit save, and that should be it. We'll just remove the margins and paddings in the style CSS to have everything all ready. Okay, there we go. So again, pretty much do this on all the projects. So I guess you could just copy paste this over from the previous one. So I'll just add pop-ins in here, sans serif, and we are ready to go. Okay, so that's our file structure. Let's start adding the HTML and the styles. See you there.